Okay, Shaban here again. In this video, I'll solve this proportion questions. Again, you have to translate the proportion and you have to solve this proportion. So let's translate the proportion first. To translate, let's read the question. Notice that proportion is the equality between two ratios in this format. Proportion is A over B, one ratio, equals C over D, another ratio. That's how you write the proportion. And to solve it, you usually do A times D equals B times C. That's the cross multiplication. Okay, let's write the proportion first. So Goen Travel Company supplied a homeowner with 10 cubic yard of gravel for his driveway at a cost of $795. So there is two units. The one is cubic yard, that's the volume, and the other one is cost in the dollar. So when you write the equation, proportion, you first ratio between cubic yard 10 over volume is 795. Okay, so that's the first ratio. Notice that 10 is the volume cubic yard, 795 is the dollar. Then equals to, let's continue reading next sentence. Assuming they charge the same rate for cubic yard regardless of the amount of gravel supplied, what would they charge for 38 cubic yards of gravel? So 38 is cubic yards. So when we write the next ratio, 38 must be here because this corresponds to 10 in the numerator, which is also cubic yard. Don't put 38 in the denominator. No. Okay. So you put in the top because top is cubic yard. The bottom is X because that's what I don't know. So what they would charge? So they would charge X amount of dollar. Okay. So that's the proportion equation. You type here exactly 10 divided by 795 equals 38 divided by X. Okay, that's what I want, correct? Now let's solve this proportion. To solve the proportion, as I mentioned before, you just cross multiply. 10 times X is 10X equals 38 times 795. Let's do the calculator. 38, let's just say 795 times 38 gives you $38,210. And you divide by 10 to solve for X. You get X equals to $3,021. So you type the equation here, $3,021. But do not type dollar because dollar is already there. That's the answer. Okay. Submit. Thank you for watching. Bye.